Hi guys, Nikko is here. Good news! I found a local body shop which agreed to repair the frame damage on my Saab for reasonable money. So I'm going to remove some parts to make the work easier. And enough talking, let's do it! Man, it was quite a job. I'm sweating. It's like 95 degrees now. The most difficult part actually was
to remove transmission cooling lines because one of them stuck pretty badly and I need to play with it. I didn't film it because it was difficult to film and do it at the same time, and luckily I have 27mm wrench. I even forgot that I have it, but I found it. Okay, and even if I did all this stuff in the wrong way, actually, just remove everything, because I'm going to rebuild and replace probably definitely radiator and probably condenser too, but I did, even if I did it an easy way, wrong way, it was quite a job. So a couple of small things more and it's ready to go to body shop. Okay, we're loaded and ready to go to the body shop. Hopefully they will repair the frame.